toddler and baby boy snug-fit footed cotton pajamas from Simple JOYS. Product specifications: fabric type 100% cotton, care guide, origin machine wash, imported, closure type zipper, sleepwear, should be snug-fitting or flame resistant for safety reasons. This piece fits snugly. 3 sets of gripper foot pajamas with colorful appliques and motifs. Zipper from ankle to chin with snap over tab. Count on Carter's for reliable quality, consistently competitive prices, and simple tag-free packaging. Baby's skin is delicate, so rough or treated materials may irritate it or possibly result in rashes. One of our favorite natural clothing companies, Burt's Bees Baby, is the maker of these certified cotton pajamas. The fabric is incredibly breathable, which will aid in keeping your baby's body temperature at a healthy level. When you need to change your baby, long zippers are a gift from God. These pajamas have a long zipper that extends down the leg, wide cuffs, scratch mittens built into the newborn size, and sizes 0-3 months are all features of the sleeves. The footies are held in place by a soft ankle elastic, allowing you to purchase a larger size to wear longer without your child stumbling all over the place. Additionally, we adore the charming non-slip bumblebee patterns on the bottoms of the feet because they protect against accidents and slips that could cause damage. These pajamas have won the Cribsy Award for coziest and softest pajamas 5 years in a row thanks to parent votes. Booties or separate socks are adorable. However, if your child disobeys everything you ask of them, they can end up being more trouble than they're worth. These footed one-piece pajamas will keep your child warm and content. You won't have to worry as much about your little peanut getting cold feet if you use footed pajamas like these. The pajamas are snug-fitting and composed of 100% cotton. For safe walking, the feet have a non-slip coating. Tags can be a pain, and if you remove them, you frequently end up with sharp edges. These pajamas, however, include a label that is printed directly onto the material. Footless pajamas might be a preferable option for babies who are on the heavier side. Footed pajamas were rapidly outgrown by my babies since they were big and tall. The certified organic cotton fibers used to make this Olivia one-piece suit. Your large monkey will feel comfortable and enjoy the softness of the material against their skin. The long zipper makes it simple to quickly and easily change a baby's diaper and clothing, and the zipper tab protects your infant from the sharp edges of the zipper. The pajamas' cuff sleeves and legs allow them to fit snugly, protecting your child. Pajamas are a great option for keeping your infant comfortable during the hot summers because they are light and breathable. Everything you require for a pleasant summer evening is included in this bundle. The long-sleeve shirt is appropriate for chilly evenings or climate-controlled spaces. However, you also receive 2 long pants with ribbed cuffs, 2 shorts, and 2 shirts with short sleeves. These cotton pajamas are snug-fitting but not flame-resistant. At Christmas, we enjoy wrapping our infants in warm pajamas decorated with festive patterns. For newborns and toddlers, Carter's Fleece holiday pajamas are the ideal outfit. A neck-to-ankle zipper is included in the footed style for simple diaper changes. Even after your little party animal has dozed off, it's simple to get them back into their pajamas thanks to the lengthy zipper. To avoid overheating, you should take into account what your kid is wearing underneath, as it is fleece. You might not need any additional clothing unless the room is quite chilly. Thank you
for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.